But I was behind the truck coming down. Now when the truck come around the corner, so you come like you get out of control. Either you lose the brake or something, but when the come down, you just like run. You never go up on 2 wheel down here, so come down. Then the truck go over there, so the tractor drop off first, then the truck flick over the tractor, go up in the air or something. 3 students. One get a broken, one get a fired link, and one get a piece of splinter.
The man say truck lose control. Right up there, so. He take it off a couple car, swing it from a couple car up there, so. And by the time he come here, so, it's like the tractor draw it on both sides. Right. So TV just flip. Take down the light wire then.
Wow, this is very bad, man, because of the current problem just last current they get fixed and they come back again, and this going to set us back very, very bad and right. So we're asking JPS kindly, as quick as they can restore current to us, we're asking kindly they can.
At about 6:45 we got this car that there's an accident on the Top Hill main road. On reaching to this given location, we observed that a truck which was transporting a tractor trailer overturned, leaving an oil spill on the road. So I'm here with my team normally to get it sorted out so we can get the road back in proper working order.